Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to measure walking distance on Google Maps, step by step. This is a handy tool if you want to know the exact distance you'll cover, whether it's for a hike, a city tour, or just exploring a new route. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll stay updated with our latest tutorials. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Maps on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet and have the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Find your starting location on the map and touch and hold the spot to drop a red pin. This is where your measurement will begin. Step 3. Once the pin is placed, tap on the dropped pin or pin details at the bottom of the screen. In the options, select Measure Distance. This will activate the measurement mode. Step 4. Now, move the map by sliding your finger to position the black circle over the next point you want to measure to. This could be a straight path, like a road, or any other location along your route. Step 5. To add more points and continue along your path, repeat the process by moving the map to position the black circle on each new location you want to measure. Google Maps will connect the points automatically to calculate the distance. Step 6. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see the total distance displayed in both miles and kilometers. This feature is great for measuring distances between cities, landmarks, or estimating distances along a winding path. Just remember, Google Maps uses an average walking speed of 5 kilometers per hour for its estimates and doesn't account for things like hills or personal pace. And that's it. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.